everyone, welcome. I'm Jimmy of jdflutes. These are my new double drone flutes. They are in the key of low D, and they have been produced from aromatic cedar. As you can see, I have a 9-hole double drone and also a 6-hole double drone. And folks, let me tell you, these flutes here, they are so easy to play. They are effortless. I mean, it takes no work at all the way I've designed these two flutes. And if you bear with me, I won't take too much of your time. I'm going to do a very short sound sample, and also I'll let you see what both of these look like up close and personal. And this one here is the 9-hole. And the way I've made these mouthpieces, as you can see, they I wanted to design it to where you wouldn't have to open your mouth up really wide. And I wanted you to be able to control the flute instead of it having that warble sound. So all you have to do now is just put your mouth on it. You shouldn't have any problems. You see I have it up just a little bit from the drone side. And also, if you look at them, they are extremely close together. And it's not hard at all because you'll put your mouth on here to play your main flute, and then you'll cover both of them up easily without doing your mouth way like that. You can just open your mouth up gently, and I wanted to design a flute to where you all could relax and just enjoy the flute instead of having to work at it. But this one here is my 9-hole, and as you can see, I don't know, I can't get my videos to come out clear, folks. I don't know why it is. I can't get my lighting right, but as you can see, I have a 9-hole here, and I don't use buttons. I use leather because the buttons be in the way. They come up yay high, and then you have to cup your hand like this to play. But with the leather, you can just hold your hand down flat, and it's just so much more relaxing. And how you do your leather, I'll show you later how you do your leather, how you remove it off the hole and put it right back on the hole, because you can play each one of these holes with the drones, you know, to make it sound a different sound. There's so many ways you can play this flute. And as you can see on this low D, the finger holes are small on it. They are not really that large, so you shouldn't have any problems. And the wood is phenomenal. Beautiful piece of wood. I don't use any cheap wood. And see, jdflutes. I don't use any cheap wood. That's what it looks like on the bottom with your leather. Beautiful. And I have my one turquoise stone fetishes wrapped with very soft black deer leather on this one. And this one here is my 6-hole, the 6-hole drone, double drone. And these are my special series designs also, folks. So you will be getting a very good sounding flute. I only want to give you all the best because I want to be here a little bit longer, and if it wasn't for you all, you know, I wouldn't be here. So I want to keep producing good quality flutes for you all. So there how I have it. Beautiful sounding flute, folks. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and let you hear what they sound like, because I said I wasn't going to take too much of your time. I'll start off with this one here first, the 6th hole. They are perfectly in tune, and each hole has been produced with the same amount of air pressure and also the same temperature. Low D, 432 Hertz. If I forgot to mention, these are 432 Hertz. I will be producing these low Ds in 528 Hertz, 440, and also, of course, 432. Finger slipped off the hole. Okay, now the 9 hole, excuse me, okay, the 9 hole, I'm going to play, let you see that it's perfectly in tune, then I'll play a little bit on the drone side and I'll remove the leather. Beautiful. Now how you remove the leather, there's a knot up under the bottom of these ties. All you have to do is grab that knot and just twist it. If you just grab the knot, it'll twist right off the hole for you, just like so. See? Now I'm going to play just with the one hole open. Beautiful. Now I'm going to remove the second piece of leather off the second hole from the bottom. Okay, just like so. Make sure you have your leather out of the way so it doesn't interfere with your holes, with the sound. More than what I just did. I'm trying to hurry up because I don't want to take too much of your time. Okay, I'm going to remove the third hole. Okay, now you can play it like this. Also play it like a regular Native American flute like this here if you want to. But I do want to mention, when you put your leather back, when you turn it and put your leather back on your holes, sometimes if you pull your leather too hard, it will stretch your leather. And if your flute is not sounding like it did when you first got it, it could be because you stretched the leather and it's not covering up the holes. It's not sealing up the holes completely. So when you turn your leather back on your holes, just blow in your flute. And if it sounds clear on both sides, on the drone side, that means your holes are sealed up. Now if you hear something that sounds not clear, tighten up your leather. That's all it is. It's because you pulled it too hard. You don't have to pull your leather too hard now. Just pull it gently enough where you can rotate your leather. And if you blow it real hard, you can get a high-pitched sound also with these flutes. Beautiful. But these flutes here, both of these flutes here are in stock today. I will put the link below this video where you can purchase them right away. All of my flutes that are in stock ship out within 1 to 2 business days. If so happens someone purchased these flutes before you get them, because I'm going to have them on a huge sale, because I want the world to experience how these flutes play. So I'm going to have the prices really low, extremely low, folks. And so if it happens to get out of stock, the back orders right now is between 1 through 2 weeks. I have them shipped out within 1 through 2 weeks. So that's just right now. Now if I get a huge list of orders, of course it's going to be a little bit longer. It might be 2 to 3 weeks. But I will get it to you because I can make them pretty quickly, folks. But what you think about them? They have beautiful voices. They're beautiful, as you can see. They are beautiful. I'll put the link below this video where you can purchase them right away. Thank you so much for everything, folks.